Figma Community is where designers go to find the best resources across Figma, including files, UI kits, plugins, and more. Today, Figma Weave joins in. For the first time, you can publish your Weave workflows to Community, so anyone can find, copy, run, and build on them. If you haven't used Weave before, think of it as a generative AI canvas. You can connect nodes together to produce high-quality images, videos, audio, and 3D. It's more powerful than a single prompt because you're creating a system. I just created a new workflow I want to publish, so let's take a look. One trend I've been seeing a lot of lately is video hero sections for different websites. So I created a workflow just for this purpose. It takes in one image and creates 3 different videos that I can choose from. Let's take a look at the different nodes here. Each one does something different. The first one in the bottom left-hand corner is the input image. Above it, we have a string of different prompts that come together and actually form the description for what the videos are going to be. And then finally on the right, we now have 3 different video outputs that I can play around with and select from for the video hero. I want to share this with Community because I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to hit share in the upper right-hand corner, hit publish to Figma Community, fill out all of the information for that workflow, like the description and tags, add a cover image, and then all of the final details. Then I'll hit publish, and we're live. My resource is now here inside of Figma Community. Now, let's say I'm a designer who's never opened Weave. I'm currently working on a project where I need to define our ICP. I search Community in the same way that I'd search Community for any other resources. And there it is, a Weave workflow by Mallory, just for this purpose. I'm going to click on that workflow, take a look at it, view that workflow inside of Weave. And if everything looks good here, which it does, I'm going to duplicate it to my files. And now I can create my own ICP using Mallory's workflow. All I have to do is swap out the image here or play around with the different prompts, and I'm good to go. Something that took Mallory a couple hours to build takes me a couple minutes to use. Community has always been the best place to see how great designers work. Now that includes how they use Weave. If you've built something in Weave, publish it. If you're a designer, search for one and try it today. We're excited to see what you make.